kia mutu. Kia utaina mai ki rungi a tātou, kia kotahi ai te whakaaro, kia kotahi ai te iwi. I raro i taua koro ai manaaki. Mo reira hinei rai horapa ana ko te mihi o te ngākau. Ki te kāhui āri ki kota tūnei. O tira ki tō tātou tumua ki kota tūnei. Ki te whakamana i tēnei kaupapa i tēnei rā. Kei te mihi ake, kei te mihi ake, kei te mihi ake.
We started in 1986 when there was only a handful of volunteers, like 5 to 6 volunteers. That lasted for about 4 to 5 years. Today is an opportunity for us to honour and acknowledge the past and the present sponsors and donors. This work is a lifelong commitment for many of us when we've witnessed our friends, our family, or have been connected to families who've either been harmed, injured or killed. And then just over the years as we developed our relationships with government, iwi, community groups, we just ended up sort of growing amongst all of the different challenges, I guess, that we had.
I'm so grateful to them, very grateful, and I always continue to support them. I have access to Whakaruruhau services probably when I started my first year of law school. In the beginning of the year, I was with a partner at the time and he was abusive in my first year of law school. I got the police involved and they referred me to Women's Refuge. Today, we've been running, our Whānau Law's been running for 9 years. This is our 9th year this year. We are just down the road on Commerce Street, not far from here, and we still support all the wāhine here that need support and all the clients that need support. So we do all the protection parenting orders and all OT matters. So we continue to support Te Whakaruruhau today.
But a refuge that is surrounded by a community that cares, now that's what you call safe. And I guess the refuge I knew way before us was the village that Te Puia set up in Māori.